Hello to all you fire alarm and siren fans on YouTube. Some of you may already recognize this panel. This is my Federal Signal autocall panel that I have no clue as to how it works, basically, I'm trying to say. I got it from the old local Kmart back in, 2011 when they tore it down to put in yet another pick and save. So Sheboygan's second pick and save, only this one's bigger than the other one. So I'm just showing it to you guys so that way you guys can maybe get a better view and tell me maybe how it works, where the power is connected, where you would hook up a pull station, smoke detector, signaling devices, and how to zone it maybe. I don't really care about the zoning part, but so needless to say, let's get started. So over here is you have positives and negatives, but these are also numbered. Not sure if you guys can see it. Like up there goes Z1. No, you guys can see it. Z1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Z6. There. Again. And there's some other numbering. Not sure if you guys can see that there. There's some better light. So maybe, I don't know if you guys can tell me what that means there. That'd be helpful. But looks like those two here, those two there, are jumpered. So, and then these two here are jumpered. Those two there. Right there. Those two there are jumpered. So we've got two of them jumpered. I just noticed that now. Then over here, there's not a connection separating them. So I'm thinking that there might be the in for power, but I don't know how much it takes. So yeah, this would be right there, those two that were not disconnected. So if you follow those, probably they go to here. Here it looks on the other. So here's like the back circuit board part. That goes to the transformer right there. I know this is a DC panel because it's got a positive and a negative. So these over here, they probably had 4051s because they had an alarm just like this over by the jewelry section, and this is a Simplex 4051, 24 volts. So maybe positive, negative was one of those over there. Over here, I have no clue. If you guys can tell me anything about this side here. Yeah, I do apologize for the crappy light. You know, over here, this is probably for zone expansion, maybe. You could have done. Because it's enough room to put this here, down there. Yes, you could have another one of those. So, yeah, I have no clue, honestly, no clue about this side. Maybe this is where you connect the pulls and smokes. Or maybe you did pull smokes and alarms over here, and this is just jumping and stuff. So, any help on this side is appreciated, because if you look, that's what the back of the jumpered side looks like. There, I'll hold it still for a second, so if you guys want to pause and trace it, any part of it. Here's the tag. Autocall Division, Federal Signal, Shelby, Ohio. Another Federal Signal product right there. That's a tornado siren. Model 2. Here's this. That might be a relay there. I don't know. That's a pilot light there. My other pilot light that was there is now in the AF. This was in there, but I needed it for that because I couldn't track down a different Lee Craft light. That was the pilot light here, so that would kick on. This is I think this might be the trouble light. And on these switches here, excuse me for a moment, I have a cover. Here it is. This covered the switches. Oh god, I don't know if I could get you in some good light. That says trouble silence, reset, test, alarm silence. So it probably went. So this one here, that's up or down. So that one was trouble silence. This one was reset. So, but it always goes back up. So it's not says like a momentary. So that's probably just reset, and then it'd give you good. And then switch back to just pilot light. And this was test. So it's probably just like ring it, and then it goes back up. And this is an up or down, so alarm silence. So let's say you're reading in trouble, you'd go, so it'd be up here, because that's why you'd have it after you reset it. Alarm silent, trouble, wait no, you want to do silence alarm, so silence alarm, then you'd want to do trouble silence, reset, and then pushing back up after the panel's done resetting. This helps you, maybe that says go half, number 2, something half, number 2 half. Oh yeah. Oh, it wasn't a pilot light. I'm gonna have to take that out of the AF, because this is trouble, that is alarm. So that's if you have a panel trouble or trouble in the system, and that will send it into the alarm mode there. Yeah, it's going to be a long video, so you guys are just going to have to deal with it. I have no clue how this panel works, this is how I'm making it. These are your relays, probably for if when the pull stations trip, they close, and then they'll signal the alarm circuit. So 3 relays there, and another 3 relays over here. 6 zones, 3 relays. 6 relays. Probably has something to do with it. Then I have no clue what this thing is. If anyone can help. They got a capacitor there. Might be a capacitor. I'm not good with this sort of thing. I'll show you what I'm used to. But over there and all that other stuff. So if you take a good look in there, you can figure that out. And these are the zone lights. Zone lights, zone 1 through 3, and zone 4 through 6. So there, that's basically the whole panel there. If you need me to make a video to specifically just focus on one part of the panel, just let me know. So that's pretty much it. I'll show you what I'm used to working with here. This is another product of Federal Signal AF timer. This is 3 big relays, couple cams, micro switches, transformer, terminal blocks, and fuses. Much less complex than that thing. And then you have pilot lights, and that, and then your switches. So yeah, if anyone can help me figure out how to power and hook up pull stations and all that sort of thing, just let me know. So anyways, thanks for watching.